Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So since the Halloween is coming, I have something spooky prank for my family, which is costume prank. So also by the way, they are outside watching the Nun movie, and so
Kajutan sino. Mabuti pa. Gato, pag na. Gabol pa. Ano mo pa siya? Aso mo na. Oo, oo.
this is our third night watching movies, and so I think this is the perfect time. Charot. So by the way, I bought a two costume. So the first one here is this one. I bought this last week, and it's not that scary. So it's only 19 pesos, guys. So I bought the other one, which is a little bit expensive. Guess what costume? So this is it. See, so let's try to wear this, guys. Look at that, guys. So now let's try this. Wearing this. Oh my god. Oh, it's. I think this is not fit for me, guys. Look, oh, the too too long for me. My goodness. So, ta-da! Ah, what's it? Ko masabi ang lahat. No, guys. Oh my god, it's too long. Look at guys, sis. At bakong bugas ba? Yes. Guys, look at my ano. How to open this. So this is my problem now. I have to pull it. But I have a what the I'm so hungry. So there's a belt. I'll just do this. Fold. I'm just gonna fold it. Okay. Ouch. Struggle. The problem of short people. So by the way, I'm wearing I'm basta so let's try this. Oh my oh my god. Whew. Or the nose is am I scary now? Model. My God, I can't breathe. So let's go outside and prank them. Wow. I think I'm not scary pa. How was it? Do I look scary or not? So let's go outside. Dar. So they are. Oh my God, where's my eyes? So this is my eyes. On this one. But I can't breathe. So again, it's just go outside. Picture. I know may dapat demure. Kasi di demure. My nose, what's happening? Ah, there's aqua but I have a good nose. Ah, kakapoy. So my lips is here, guys. It's not because I can't see my guys. So let's go outside and scare them. I prank them. Wow! My God. I can't see where's the... Wow!
Lamba ka, bonal ko na.
Isilisa na. Ilisa na.
Ili sa gubat to eh.
Sinungaling ka! My nephew is... I thought he's watching with my parents outside. So, prank failed. So, let's just go to my sister's house. I hope, guys, that my niece is already sleeping and... First, let's just visit my nephew. He's sleeping in the tent. I think he's alone. So let's just go. So let's wear it again. Prank film. They already know. Try watching. They're still watching the movie. Kananchalan sa doy. Oy, kananchalan sa nimo dyan oy.
Oo, kita eh.
Nanchalan.
Sabi lang kinsa gago.
Take two dapat magulat, dapat mas scared ka.
Lin. Isa nga, Lin.
Hey, biyahak na eh. So, let's turn off the light, guys. and, I, and, okay. So,
Alam mo niya.
Hoy, ka nonchalant. Nonchalant. They're not afraid. So, my sister called, guys, asking about the note I posted on Messenger. So, that note, guys, was actually me ranting about how my family is so nonchalant. So, yeah, I called her back, planning to scare her a little. But guess what? It didn't work either. She's also nonchalant. My goodness. Look at that smile, guys. Sis. You can scare the babies here, but not the big ones. It really, oh, what kind of no, I'm questioning. Charot. Look at that. Oh, it's like I was just supposed to run in messenger notes, guys, but she called, so I ended up ranting to her for real. Ay, naku po. Only my nephew got scared, eh?
On the same way. Oh no, no, there's nothing but
Look, I just flipped the switch.